Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nada's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. First, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went out to Dollar General. But first, let me put a disclaimer out here. If y'all hear anything, y'all see I am not in my regular location. I am out here at my sister's. We are having craft day. So y'all know we had a 5 off of 20 for Gain. And then we had the 5 off of 25 for Saturday. Okay? So, the store that I went to, this is an old store. And they have the old receipts. So I'm going to keep on going to this store to do my 5 off of 25. And even if we have the Gain deals until they, I guess, get the new, system. So this one is the old system, and I'm so happy that it's the old system. So let's go ahead and get to this video. Get to the deal. So, excuse me, y'all. The first thing is, with the 5 off of 20 for the Gain, you got to make sure that all of your items is Gain deal. And it has to say Gain on it. So the first thing I got was this Gain liquid. It is, let's see, the 65 ounce. It is $7.50. There is a $3 off digital coupon that did attach. All right. So then the next thing are these Gain fireworks. They did not ring up like they should have. They should have rung up 2 for $7, but my store was not even tagged, and I forgot about it until I seen the receipt. So they rung up $4.50 a piece, and these are the 5.5 ounce, okay? And there is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching. And then the last thing for the Gain deal, I went ahead and got me another thing of these Swiffer wet mopping cloths. These are $5.50. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. So this right here rings up about $22. But if I'm doing the 5 off of 25, I got to make sure that it gets up to 5. Okay, $25. I'm sorry, not 5, but $25. So what I did was I seen these scope. These are $1. And I had a $2 off digital coupon, and the overage will go into the transaction. And then I found the Bright and Clean oral toothbrushes. These are $1. So, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that did attach to that, and the overage goes into there. So that still does not make it $25. So I went ahead and got this Chlorine with bleach spray, and I needed this for home because I was kind of getting ready to run out of some spray stuff excuse me, for my bathroom and stuff. And this is a multi-purpose cleanser, so I can spray this everywhere and it will take care of everything that I need. So I forgot where someone had did a video, and they did the chlorine, because I was looking for something to make it $25, and then I forgot. I was like, oh, I forgot I can get that. And I got this. This is $3. And yeah, this rung up $3, and there was a $1 off digital coupon that did attach. Okay. So y'all, after I put everything on the counter, I put my number in, and my 5 off of 20 came off. My 5 off of 25 came off. This overage went into my transaction. All of my digitals came off. And y'all, my subtotal, excuse me, was $6. And everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. There it is. There it is. There's my receipt. And look at my total savings. $21. Yes, $21. And then there is a 5 off of 25 for next Saturday. So hopefully we have some good digital coupons, because This week has been, it really hasn't been no good one. So I just went ahead and just saved my coupons for Saturday to do the 5 off of 20 for the gain, and then the 5 off of 25 for Saturday. Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.